Good morning, dear students. First of all, I, Mr. R.K. Jagtap, English teacher, welcomes to all of you in 11th standard. In this video lecture, my dear students, I am going to introduce the English Yuvak Bharti textbook of standard 11th, and we have to learn all the sections throughout the year. So I will talk about the content, what is exactly given in the content. Dear students, as you know already that we are going through this pandemic situation, so the students and teacher could not directly teach and learn in the colleges. That's why this method is used, online teaching and learning. So this is our first day, and on the first day I am going to introduce the English textbook to you, what you have to learn throughout the year. And I hope very soon you and we teacher will directly learn everything in the classroom by attending the college. So let's begin the syllabus, what is given in this textbook. Okay, dear students, here I am going to talk about the contents, what is given in that. Your syllabus is divided into 4 sections. First section is consisting prose. In that there are 6 lessons, but out of 6, one has been reduced by the state board. So we will begin with 1.2, on to the summit. We reach the top. Third one, the call of the soil. Fourth one, pillars of democracy. Fifth one, Mrs. Addis. And the sixth one, Tiger Hills. After that we will turn to section number 2, that is poetry, and it is consisting total 6 poems, but out of 6, number 6th one is again reduced. So we have to learn only 5 poems. As 2.1, cherry tree, the sower, there is another sky, upon Westminster Bridge, and nose versus eyes. After that we will come to section number 3, which is regarding writing skills. In writing skills we have to learn 3.1, here we will learn expansion of ideas. 3.2, blog writing. 3.3, emails, means how to prepare email, how to write email, as you know already. Fourth one related to interview. Fifth one, film review. And the last we will learn the art of comparing. And my dear students, the last section, that is 4 number, it is about genre of drama. Here we have to learn 3. Number 1, history of English drama. Second, the rising of the moon. And third, extracts of drama. Again it is divided into 2. A Midsummer Night's Dream, and B, an enemy of the people. In this way, my dear students, we have to learn 4 sections from this English textbook. While learning online, you will get the videos through your WhatsApp group. I will post YouTube videos of my teaching. You have to watch it carefully, learn it properly, and I request you, if you have any doubt regarding any lesson, poem, writing skill or grammar, or related to my subject, my mobile calling number is given here, 8087 437127. You are allowed to contact me directly. You can ask me if you have any queries related to my subject. So I hope, my dear students, you will also enjoy English literature, English learning with your English teacher, Mr. R.K. Jagtap. Thank you.